Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're making a fun and easy project. A pouch or wallet from fabric scraps. Yep, turning those leftovers into something useful and stylish. Get ready to craft. First, gather your materials. Fabric scraps, the more colorful, the better. Think t-shirts, quilting fabric, anything goes. Then, grab scissors, a ruler, a pen or pencil, some pins, and a needle and thread. A sewing machine speeds things up, but hand sewing works too. Okay, let's start with the pouch. Decide on the size. You'll cut 2 pieces of fabric for the front and back. For a 5-inch wide, 4-inch tall pouch, add a 1/2-inch seam allowance. Cut 2 rectangles, each 6 inches wide and 5 inches tall. Easy. Next, lay your fabric pieces right sides together. Pin them. Now, sew. A sewing machine is great. Hand sewing works too. Use a running stitch or backstitch. Sew around 3 sides, leaving the top open. Consider a decorative stitch for design. Turn your pouch right side out. Use a pen or pencil to push out the corners. Fold the top edges down about 1/2 inch and press. This creates a clean edge. You can sew a seam to secure the fold. There you have it, a basic pouch. Embellish it how you like. Add a button and loop, a zipper, or fabric paint. Endless possibilities. Now, the wallet. Similar process, but with extra steps for card slots. For the wallet, we need 2 outer fabric pieces and extra pieces for card slots. Decide on the wallet size. A good size is around 4 inches wide and 3 inches tall, folded. For outer layers, cut 2 rectangles, each about 8 inches wide and 3 inches tall. Also, cut rectangles for your card slots, about 3 inches wide and 2.5 inches tall for each slot. Create the card slots. Fold the card slot rectangles in half. Right sides together, and sew around the sides and bottom, leaving the top open. Turn them right side out and press them. Sew them to the inside of one of the main fabric pieces. Arrange them in a row. Sew them down, creating pockets. Lay your 2 outer fabric pieces right sides together, with the card slot piece in the middle. Pin. Sew around 3 sides, leaving the top open, like the pouch. Turn it right side out. You can also add a snap or Velcro closure. Top stitch around the edge to reinforce the wallet and make it look polished. A handmade fabric wallet. Whether a pouch or wallet, this is a fantastic way to upcycle fabric scraps and create something unique. A great project for beginners and a fun way to get creative. So, grab supplies, craft, and experiment. Remember to like and subscribe for more easy DIYs. Happy crafting! See you next time.